Hi, I'm Emmanuel J. Danso, and in today's video, I'll be showing a demo of my project. This project is an online booking and an appointment management system for Kingdom Styles LLC. Kingdom Styles LLC is a business of my cousin. So this system has a user-friendly interface for selecting services, scheduling appointments, and then processing payments using the Stripe platform. It also has the interface where my cousin, who's admin, can manage appointments such as canceling, confirming bookings, and then rescheduling appointments. So so I created this online booking system using Node.js with Express for the backend functionality, which is my server, and I used MongoDB with Mongoose to define the schemas and models for the booking data. I also implemented some fetch API to make and then handle some asynchronous requests, and then not to forget I used some Postman. I used the Postman to test out my API endpoints. So with the payments, I use Stripe because Stripe has this JavaScript has this Stripe library that makes everything simple. So I use Stripe, and I also use Stripe webhooks to listen to the Stripe events. Now, because I'm actually running this program locally, I had to make sure that I expose it to the internet. So what I used was I used ngrok to expose my local host to the internet in order to test the Stripe webhook endpoint. And I think yeah, right here I used ngrok so that this local host behaves as if it's already deployed. So when you come here, we're gonna see some portions of code. Yeah, so this is my server, and here my scripts, my index, HTML, and all of that, my policies. All right, so without taking much time, I'm just gonna run the program, and then we go see how it functions. All right, so I'm gonna go with node server.js. Okay, all right, so there we go. So it's running on ports 5001. So you're gonna run localhost, not 5001. Okay, all right, perfect. So our website is ready and running. Okay, so these we're just gonna do some exploration and some testing here. All right, so before we get started, I would love you to meet the developer, which is me. So I'm Emmanuel J. So as I said, I'm aspiring to be a software engineer and a teacher with interest in these fields, and then I'm passionate about creating innovative solutions to the problems in this world, and then also being able to help people gain much more understanding in the field that I find myself. So I'm going to close this, and then we'll start by exploring this page. So when you come here, you just get some information about Kingdom Styles, where they're located, the services, where they service, the people they service. So you get a booking button, the reading. We're gonna look at all of that, some information about Kingdom Styles LLC, some of the work that we've done, and then our values, why you should choose us, why you should work with us, our business hours. So we have our booking policies buttons all over around, so to make sure our users are updated on our policies, and then it becomes easy for them to access the booking page. So when you come here, when you click here, it takes you to the top. Okay, now we're gonna come here, you explore the home. So before that, let me take you to the booking policy. So when you click here, it takes you to the booking policies page, and then you get to read so before you make an appointment, you have to make a non-refundable $15 deposit, and then some info about booking policies. And on the booking policy page, you have the option to book your appointment. So I'm gonna go to our home, and then yeah, so this is it for our home. Quickly, we have our contacts and everything. So you come to the about us, and then you get some information about Kingdom Styles, who we are, also with the booking, and then there are our policies, our values, just as it was before, just the same thing. And then yeah, you get to read some reviews that our customers have made. let's get you booked. You can book your appointment. So when you click here, it takes you to the booking page. All right, so before we come to the booking page, we're gonna look at our gallery. All right, some of the styles that we've done. Okay, so welcome to our gallery. These are some of the styles that we've done. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful styles by Kingdom Styles LLC. So great, amazing job. All type, we don't discriminate. So if you find yourself enjoying what you're seeing, then you can book us now. So also when you come to our footer, you see the social buttons. You can follow us on Instagram, Kingdom Styles LLC. When you click here, it takes you up. Awesome. So we've done explored these three options. So we're gonna go into our services / booking. Okay, so first of all, before we explore this, when you come here, the user is prompted that you have to review our booking policy first before you go ahead and then make an appointment or select a hairstyle that you want. So we have these main categories. We have A all the way to I. So we have twist, fitting braids, crochet, ponytail braids, kids, men's styles. All right, so here you select this. When you select a category, you're gonna get all the subcategories with details of each subcategory, which is each hairstyle. So here you have underway cornrows, picture representing the cost and the time it takes. We have 2 fitting braids. We have 10 to 15 fitting, a lot. We have several hairstyles that we offer. So if none of these interest you, you can click here and then you go back. It takes you to the main categories. So you can explore twist, the same thing. This is the main the subcategories for the twist. Every detail you need is going to be found there. And then let's look at ponytails. Has 2 options. Let's look at the kids special. All right, so we have the medium knotless, the natural kids cornrow, the small fitting cornrows, kids box braids. All right, so you go back if none of these interest you. Now let's finally look at the men's style. So this is it for the men's style. Awesome, good job. And then let's see the bohemian. All right, so these are the hairstyles that you have and then details about them. Okay, so I'm gonna go back. Right, but before that, let's go to the bohemian again, and then we're gonna click on book. So when you click on book, it takes you to a section where you get the option to select a date and a time to book an appointment. All right, good. So you get all of these. Okay, so we're gonna explore how to book an appointment. But before I take you to book an appointment, now let's take this functionality. When you click here, in the case where you don't want this hairstyle, you want to change it, you can click here and it takes you to the other hairstyles under this main category. All right, so I'm gonna take you back, and then we've explored how the services and the booking page looks like. We're gonna make a sample booking for you to see how it functions completely. So when you come here, this button, you click here. If you are a registered user, you can sign in. So this is where my cousin, which is the admin, gets to sign in, and then they manage the appointment. So I'm just gonna sign in. Okay, all right, so when she signs here, it brings her to the admin page. So in this admin page, she gets all the new bookings now already. Some bookings have already been made, right? So new bookings, and then you come here, you get all the customer details, right? You get all the customer details, the details about them, the table, just hover over them. All right, and then there's a tax management. All right, good. So when you come here, 4 bookings have already been confirmed, 2 have been cancelled, 4 have been rescheduled. All right, okay, perfect. So what is happening here is that if, for instance, let's take the confirmed bookings. If I select completed, right, it means that this booking, I confirmed it, and then my cousin has already completed the appointment. So when you come to the main page, you see that your past bookings, now it gets it that this appointment has already been completed and it's a past booking. All right, now if I deselect it, let me come here. If I uncheck it, I come and then my past bookings is there, right? So let's take note of our new booking. So when I make a booking from the booking page, this number I expect it to change to 11 when we come back. All right. Then let's see what else. You have the option. My cousin has the option to block out the calendar. Maybe there's a part of some days that she might not be available. She just has the option to do that, to block out that calendar, and then appointments on those days are not going to be available unless she opens them. So yeah, we're gonna log out, and then we're gonna make a sample booking for you to see how everything works. So let's come to our services and booking page. So we're going to come into Bohemian and Chip. All right, so we're gonna randomly select this appointment. All right, so the small medium gypsy braids, human hair only. We're gonna book that. All right, so we get the details about it. All right, we're gonna select a date. Let's choose September 21. All right, we can select 12 p.m. all right, so when you select it, assuming you didn't like the time, you can go back and then change the time, right? But I'm gonna keep this time. And then you put in your details. I'm gonna put my name. I'm getting this hairstyle. Okay, my phone number, and then my email. Awesome. So when I click on pay $15 deposit now, it takes me to the Stripe page to make my payments. So pay a $15 deposit, and then you come to your Stripe checkout. Right, so we're in the test mode, so I'm gonna put in my card information. Awesome. And then my expiry date, my CVC, and then my full name on the card, and I'm gonna put my zip code. All right, so when I click on pay, I'm gonna be charged $15, and then after payment is successful, I receive an email confirmation for payment and then appointment scheduling. All right, so awesome. So this is successful. All right, so now we're gonna head to our booking, our user admin management page, and then we're gonna see how everything functions. So let's sign in. Okay, perfect. So we sign in here. All right, so now our new booking 11, just as we expected. All right, so we're gonna explore some functionalities with the admin page. All right, so new bookings are 11, right? So when we come here, new bookings, so this new appointment, I'm not gonna touch it for now. The previous appointments here. So for the third row, I'm going to confirm it. So I'm going to confirm this. So now our confirm is supposed to, initially was 4, so I think it should change to 5. And then we're going to confirm this one as well. And then we're going to cancel this appointment, Senegalese to way small. We're going to cancel it. And then we're going to cancel the crochet braids as well. So we should expect some changes. And then we're gonna reschedule the appointment for Antoinette here. So we're gonna reschedule Antoinette's appointment. Antoinette's appointment was 16th October. So let's change it to 25th October, and then we're gonna change the time to 10:30 a.m. Okay, so we select it. Awesome, good job. Let's see, let me refresh to make sure everything's up. All right, so you see that our new bookings, we made some activities, and then the counter has changed. Now it used to be 11, now it's 6. All right, so this is the appointment that I just made from the services, the booking, and then the payment there, as you see, is on September 3rd. The time is 9:21, just like 3 minutes ago. 2 minutes ago almost. All right, so this appointment, we are going to confirm it. So we confirm this. Now enough of the confirmations and the canceling and the reschedule. We come into our tax management. All right, so our confirmed bookings now are 7, canceled is 4, rescheduled is 5. So I'm gonna add 2 more to the reschedule, so we get 7. But actually, let me balance confirmed bookings and reschedule. So I'm gonna reschedule a confirmed booking here. So confirmed bookings. So let me reschedule this appointment, the first one. So I'm gonna reschedule this. It used to be let me check, 21st September. So I'm gonna reschedule it to the same 21st September, but I'm going to choose a different time. I'm going to rather choose 5 p.m. So 5 o'clock p.m. Perfect. Awesome. So I save it, and then now my confirm booking has changed. My rescheduled booking is also changed. All right, so I come into my reschedule, right? So this is Emmanuel Jaden. So this is the appointment. The old appointment was 21st September 12 p.m. Now it's 21st September 5 p.m. right? So if I check this, right, if I check completed, I'm going to get this appointment as a past appointment. Now you see the appointment day was 21st, the time is 12 p.m. Now when you come here, all right, so I'm gonna uncheck this, and then we're just gonna do something with confirm bookings here. So in confirm bookings, we can cancel. So when we cancel this appointment, our cancel is going to change to 5, our confirm change to 5. We're going to make more cancellations. So in confirm bookings, we're going to make 2 more cancellations for confirm bookings, and then we see how it functions. So 1, confirm changes to 4, cancel changes to 6, 2, confirm changes to 3, cancel changes to 7. All right, now let's go to our canceled bookings, and then we get all the appointments that have been canceled. And then when you come here, rescheduled bookings, we're gonna cancel 2 from rescheduled. So this is the rescheduled bookings. So you're gonna cancel this appointment. Reschedule comes to 5, cancel goes to 8. We're gonna cancel this. Reschedule goes to 4, cancel goes to 9. All right, so in a case where you reschedule from confirm but you think you have to cancel again, then you just have that functionality of doing it. And then when the appointment number increases, you get the option to scroll. Navigation becomes easy for the user here. All right, and then we come here, we get all our customer details. So navigation in here is really beautiful and very interactive. So let's check out the last 2 functionalities. Block out calendar. So you can block out a calendar from here. So let's say I want to block from today to let's say 27. So 27 is not going to be. So when I block it, right, I block the dates have been blocked successfully. Let me actually open localhost. All right, and then I'm gonna show you this. All right, so when we come here, let's select this, and then you see that from 3rd all the way to 26, 27 is not going to be included. From 3rd all the way to 26 has been blocked, so you can't make any appointments. All right, now I'm gonna open it from 3rd to 27. Right, so open blocked appointment. So we're gonna open from 3rd all the way to 27. When we open it, dates open successfully. So we just check here. Now let's check it out. Book. All right, now you see that from 3rd all the way to 27 has been opened. You click here, you can find the time. Perfect. So this is how the block and then the open functions. Okay, so we've explored all these functionalities. So we're just gonna log out and then go to our home. So yeah, this is how the admin page works. Okay, so we log out here and then we come to our home. So this is our complex, beautiful project that we've come up with. Thank you for your time to watch this video. If there is any improvement, as always, I'm very ready to make sure I put in all the tweaks. Any suggestions, please feel free to let me know. Once again, thank you very much and have a good one.